Gardening is a rewarding endeavor, a chance to connect with nature and witness the miracle of life unfolding. At the heart of this miracle lies the humble seed, a tiny package containing the blueprint for a magnificent plant. But sometimes, these seeds seem reluctant to awaken, their potential locked away. This is where stratification comes in, a simple yet powerful technique that can unlock the secret to seed success. Imagine you've sown seeds with care, providing them with the perfect environment to germinate. Yet days turn into weeks, and still, no signs of life. Frustrating, isn't it? Well, fear not, dear gardener. The answer might lie in stratification, a process that mimics the natural conditions seeds experience in the wild, prompting them to break dormancy and sprout with vigor. Stratification, in essence, is like giving your seeds a gentle nudge, a wake-up call that tells them it's time to grow. It's a simple process, but understanding its nuances can significantly improve your gardening success, especially when dealing with seeds that are a bit more stubborn. So, let's delve deeper into the world of stratification and discover how to coax even the most reluctant seeds into life. Stratification, simply put, is the process of exposing seeds to a period of cold, moist conditions to stimulate germination. It mimics the natural winter these seeds would experience in their native habitat. You see, some seeds have evolved a clever survival mechanism. They've learned to remain dormant through harsh winter months, only to awaken when conditions are favorable for growth. These seeds possess a built-in clock that prevents them from germinating prematurely. They're programmed to wait for specific environmental cues, a prolonged period of cold followed by warmth being a major one. This ensures that the seeds only sprout when the coast is clear, so to speak, when the threat of frost has passed and spring's warmth beckons. Think of it as nature's way of protecting these seeds, ensuring their survival. By subjecting them to artificial stratification, we're essentially tricking these seeds into thinking they've gone through winter, effectively overriding their dormancy and jump-starting the germination process. Now, you might be wondering, why go through all this trouble? Why can't these seeds just germinate on their own when the time is right? Well, it all boils down to survival, dear gardener, to giving these plants the best chance of thriving in their natural environment. In the wild, seeds often fall to the ground in autumn. If they germinated immediately, the tender seedlings wouldn't survive the harsh winter frost. Stratification ensures that the seed remains dormant throughout winter, safely tucked away under the soil's protective blanket. Then, when spring arrives with its warmth and sunshine, the seeds, having undergone their mandatory cold nap, are ready to burst forth, their internal clocks reset and ready for growth. This process is particularly crucial for plants native to regions with cold winters. These plants have evolved over millennia to withstand and even exploit these harsh conditions. Stratification, therefore, ensures that the natural cycle continues, preserving the delicate balance of nature. Section 4. Waking the Sleeping Giants. Plants that require stratification. Many plants benefit from stratification, their seeds holding the potential for beautiful blooms and bountiful harvests. Here are a few examples of plants that require this cold treatment to thrive. Lavender. This fragrant herb, beloved by bees and gardeners alike, needs about 30 to 45 days of stratification. Echinacea, known for its stunning flowers and medicinal properties, echinacea seeds germinate best after 30 to 60 days of cold treatment. Milkweed. An essential food source for monarch butterflies, milkweed seeds require 30 to 60 days of stratification. Lupine, these elegant flowers with their tall spires of blooms, benefit from 30 to 45 days of cold stratification. This is by no means an exhaustive list, but it gives you an idea of the diverse range of plants that rely on stratification for successful germination. Remember, each plant species has its own specific requirements, so it's always best to consult seed packets or reliable gardening resources for specific stratification durations. Section 5. The right time to begin. When to stratify your seeds, timing is key when it comes to stratification. You want to mimic the natural rhythm of the seasons as closely as possible. For most plants, the ideal time to begin the stratification process is in late winter or early spring, roughly 6 to 12 weeks before your last expected frost date. This ensures that the seeds have ample time to experience the cold treatment they need, breaking dormancy just in time for the warmth of spring. Of course, you can adjust the timing slightly depending on your local climate and the specific needs of the plants you're growing. Remember, gardening is all about working with nature's rhythms, not against them. So a little planning and understanding of your local climate will go a long way in ensuring stratification success. Section 6. Mimicking Mother Nature, Methods of Stratification. Now that we understand the why and when of stratification, let's explore the how. There are several methods to stratify your seeds, each simulating the chilling period these seeds crave. The method you choose will depend on your personal preference, the number of seeds you're stratifying, and the specific requirements of your chosen plants. Cold stratification, refrigerator method. This is the most common and convenient method, especially for small batches of seeds. Simply mix your seeds with a slightly damp medium like vermiculite or peat moss. Place the mixture in a sealed plastic bag or container. Pop it in the refrigerator around 33 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit or 1 to 5 degrees Celsius for the required duration. Winter sowing. This method utilizes the natural elements, mimicking outdoor winter conditions. Sow your seeds in containers with drainage holes. Leave these containers outdoors in a sheltered location throughout winter, allowing natural temperature fluctuations and moisture to work their magic. Warm stratification. Some seeds require a period of warm temperatures followed by cold treatment, known as warm stratification. This is often done by soaking the seeds in warm water around 68 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 to 30 degrees Celsius for 12 to 24 hours before subjecting them to cold stratification. No matter the method you choose, the key is to maintain consistent moisture and temperature throughout the stratification period. Think of it as creating a mini winter wonderland for your seeds, preparing them for a triumphant spring debut. Section 7. Reaping the rewards. The benefits of stratification. Stratification, while seemingly a simple process, yields significant rewards for the patient gardener. By mimicking nature's rhythms, we empower our seeds to reach their full potential, resulting in increased germination rates. Stratification breaks seed dormancy, significantly improving the likelihood of successful germination, often leading to a higher yield. Stronger, healthier seedlings, seeds that have undergone stratification, tend to produce more robust seedlings with stronger root systems, better equipped to handle transplanting and thrive in their new environment. Earlier blooms and harvests. By giving your seeds a head start, stratification can lead to earlier flowering and fruiting, allowing you to enjoy the fruits of your labor sooner. Stratification is a testament to the intricate workings of nature and our ability to harness its power. It's a simple yet profound act that connects us to the ancient rhythms of the earth, allowing us to nurture life from tiny seeds, witnessing their transformation into thriving plants. So embrace the magic of stratification, dear gardener, and watch your gardening endeavors blossom with newfound success.